Hi everyone, Judy here. Today I'm at the Fudge Factory, located right beside the Niagara Skywheel on Clifton Hill, for another segment of Monday Must-Haves. We're talking sweets, treats, and all kinds of delicious souvenirs for your must-have gift-giving needs. And hey, let's be honest, you deserve a treat too. Have you ever tried real Canadian maple syrup? If you haven't, you should definitely check out the Fudge Factory's maple syrup wall. Here we have an assortment of different shapes of actual maple syrup. And then we also have different kinds of products that have maple syrup in it. This is a 2-pack of maple syrup lollipops. These are actually my favorite. I love them, and when you buy them, you can just share them with someone as well, because there's 2 of them. Another cool item we have here is our maple butter. Something that you can spread on toast or put on a bagel, or if you really want to go crazy, take a spoon and just start eating it. Here we have a sampler. So it comes with maple butter, maple syrup, and maple caramel. Maple caramel is so delicious. You pretty much mix delicious maple syrup with caramel and combine it into a hybrid. It's definitely something you should check out. Know anyone obsessed with shoes? We actually have a cool collection of chocolate shoes. So this is our chocolate wall. There's tons of different styles. Each one of these is actually handmade in North America with very quality chocolate products. Let's get started with a cowboy boot. Do you know any cowgirls that would love chocolate and also loves country? I think this is probably a great combination. We have a really colorful one here. These are all life-size as well. If I can hold it up to myself, these are all very life-size. It actually does look like I could put this on, which leads me to my next favorite, these ones here. For anyone who can't actually afford real Louis Vuittons, I feel like this is a very close second, or something I'd probably like more because I can eat it. And the bottom is obviously red here, like the signature look. These would actually be perfect for any type of bachelorette party, maybe a wedding gift, just a gift for anyone who loves shoes and chocolate. I think it's pretty standard that most of us like shoes and chocolate. We also have cool little lipsticks here. Something cool that you can put into maybe a prize bag or a baby shower bag. And they come in sets of 4, and there's lots of detailing there. There's the red and the chocolate, and all of these are handmade, and they're made with quality chocolate products. What's a trip to the Fudge Factory without taking home some of our homemade fudge? We have 18 different flavors here, all homemade, fresh, every day. And we have a special promotion that's always going on. You buy 3 slices of fudge and you get another one for free. So that's buy 3 fudge slices and get the 4th for free. I hope you guys enjoyed the sweet tour of all the goodies inside the Fudge Factory. I look forward to seeing you here soon to try your free sample of fudge. And remember, when you buy 3, you get 1 for free. I'm Judy for CliftonHill.com. Oh, wait, what?